Big trucks for kids. Learn vehicle names for kids. Dump truck. Dump truck. This is a dump truck used to carry sand, soil, or rocks to construction sites. Its rear bed can lift and tilt backward to unload materials quickly and easily. Dump trucks are essential for building roads, houses, and many heavy-duty construction projects. Fire truck. Fire truck. This is a fire truck used to respond to fires and emergencies. It carries firefighters along with hoses, ladders, and essential rescue equipment to help extinguish flames and save lives. Fire trucks play a crucial role in keeping communities safe. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. This is a garbage truck used to collect waste and transport it to disposal or recycling facilities. It has a strong lifting and compacting system that helps handle large amounts of trash quickly and efficiently. Garbage trucks play an important role in keeping cities clean and well-maintained. Leaf vacuum truck. Leaf vacuum truck. This is a leaf vacuum truck used to collect fallen leaves from streets, parks, and public areas. It features a powerful suction hose that quickly gathers large piles of leaves. Leaf vacuum trucks help keep outdoor spaces clean and tidy. Street sweeper truck. Street sweeper truck. This is a street sweeper truck used to clean dust and debris from road surfaces. It uses rotating brushes and water jets to sweep and wash the streets efficiently. Street sweepers help keep roads clean, safe, and pleasant. Road marking truck. Road marking truck. This is a road marking truck used to paint lane lines, arrows, and traffic symbols on the road. It uses precision spray systems to ensure clear and durable markings. These trucks help organize traffic and improve road safety. Flatbed truck. Flatbed truck. This is a flatbed truck used to transport large and heavy machinery such as excavators, bulldozers, and other construction equipment. Its open flat platform allows machines to be loaded securely using ramps, making transport safe and efficient. Flatbed trucks play an important role in moving heavy equipment between construction sites. Logging truck. Logging truck. This is a logging truck used to transport long, heavy logs from forests to sawmills. It has strong steel frames and securing chains to hold the timber safely during transport. Logging trucks are essential in the forestry industry. Carrier truck. Carrier truck. This is a carrier truck designed to transport multiple cars at once. It has multi-level ramps that allow vehicles to be loaded securely. Carrier trucks are used mainly to deliver new cars to dealerships. Food truck. Food truck. This is a food truck used to prepare and sell meals directly on the street. It contains a compact kitchen that allows on-site cooking. Food trucks bring convenient and tasty meals to busy public areas. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. This is an ice cream truck that sells frozen treats and often plays cheerful music to attract customers. It brings joy to neighborhoods, especially on hot days. Snowplow truck. Off roads using a large front blade. It helps keep streets safe and passable during winter. Container truck. Container truck. This is a container truck used to transport heavy shipping containers between ports, warehouses, and factories. It has a reinforced frame designed for large loads. Tow truck. Tow truck. This is a tow truck used to move broken down or damaged vehicles from the road. It is equipped with lifting arms or winches to tow cars safely. Bridge inspection truck. Bridge inspection truck. This is a bridge inspection truck used to access and inspect hard-to-reach areas under bridges. It has a long hydraulic arm that allows safe and precise inspection work. Tree trimming truck. Tree trimming truck. This is a tree trimming truck used to cut and manage branches near roads or power lines. Its lift bucket raises workers to high areas safely. Tanker truck. Tanker truck. This is a tanker truck used to transport liquids such as fuel, water, or chemicals in a large sealed tank. It ensures safe and spill-free transportation. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck used to mix and deliver fresh concrete to construction sites. Its rotating drum keeps the mixture from hardening too soon. Box truck. Box truck. This is a box truck used to transport goods inside an enclosed cargo area that protects them from weather and damage. It is widely used for packaged products and furniture. Delivery truck. Delivery truck. This is a delivery truck used to transport packages and goods to homes, shops, and businesses. It ensures fast and safe delivery. Open cargo truck. Open cargo truck. This is an open cargo truck used to carry oversized or bulky items that require open space. Its open bed allows easy loading from any side.